Hello guys, so today I would like to show you quite common problem on the CB radios, the citizen band radios, on the example of the President Harry tool. So as you can see, we are on the AM, we've got our RF gain to the maximum, we've got our squelch set to the minimum. We should disable the automatic squelch if there is any, and we turn our volume up and we cannot hear anything on any of the channels. And that's quite a common problem of failing a crystal filter. That's the model number for that radio, that's the range of the filter. It have like deep size, but it have like 5 pin, and I'm pretty sure we've got of course our antenna connected, so I'm pretty sure, unplug that just replacing the filter will fix this radio, because many of them are failing. So let's try to open this, and we are going to take a look. Okay, so we are going inside, just in a second. And that's a quite common problem on the many radios, because the filters are defective. So they are stopping working, the transmitting is working okay. Of course, there are many other things that could go wrong, but we should go to the easiest first. Okay, I'm going to unplug the antenna for the safety reason. Okay, and we are going to power up the soldering station, and this is the part that we are interested. Here you can see that I've got a proper part, which is 455, that's the frequency. And over here we also got a 455. We are going to unsolder it, which will be over here, our 5 pins. We're going to unsolder it, put a new one, and check if it helps. So right now I'm going to stop, because we need to wait for the warm up. Okay, so the soldering station warm up, and I think that board was made after the restriction of the hazardous substances, so there shouldn't be a lead in the solder. And as you can see over here, I just grab my soldering iron and apply a little bit of the lead solder. So that should help us to make a good unsoldering. Okay, I'm unsure about the one of the leg, and it looks like it's glue, but yes, okay. So we remove, no problem, just extracted it, and we've got a same pin out. We are going to insert our new crystal filter. Just need to make sure that our legs are correctly. Okay, we are in place, as you can see, beautiful. And let's solder it. We are going to check how it's working. Okay, we've got a beautiful solder job, so you can see. Yes, let's try to cover it up. Just to prevent from the RF going into the way it shouldn't. Yes, am I using correct? Yes, that's correctly. Let's try to power it on. We do not have right now the mic, so we have to connect it. And as you can hear, you can hear something going on. So that's how it looks like. Okay, so I close everything up properly, and as you can hear, we got some noise coming on, but we are on the AM and we can hear everything. The squelch is set to low and we can cut the squelch. So that's how it looks like. Quite common problem, quite simple replacement. So if your radio have similar problem, then I would recommend you trying to fix it that way. So thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.